Storylane is a tool that's been gaining attention for its ability to create interactive video experiences. And if you're considering it, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before buying. In this video, we're going to break down 7 key aspects of Storylane to help you make an informed decision. First off, what sets Storylane apart from competitors like Loom or Vimeo? Well, Storylane focuses heavily on creating personalized, engaging videos. You can add interactive elements like clickable CTAs, quizzes, and even forms within your videos. This is something that many video creation tools don't offer right out of the box. But what you need to know is whether this kind of interactivity fits into your business model. Storylane is perfect for use cases where conversion is a priority, like sales funnels or lead generation. If you're just looking for a simple video hosting platform without those added features, you might want to consider something more basic like Vimeo or Wistia. Next thing to note, Storylane's user interface is very intuitive. Unlike other platforms that can leave you feeling overwhelmed with too many options, Storylane focuses on simplicity, making it easier to get started. The drag and drop functionality, paired with the ability to quickly add interactive elements, allows you to build videos that aren't just engaging, they're easy to create. While this ease of use is a major plus, it might lack some of the advanced customization options you get in more complex software. If you're a power user, this simplicity could feel a bit limiting. But for most people looking to create effective interactive videos quickly, it's a huge benefit. The third thing you should know is about integrations. Storylane integrates with a wide range of CRMs and marketing platforms, such as HubSpot, Zapier, and Google Analytics. This is essential if you want to seamlessly integrate your videos into your marketing stack and track viewer behavior. However, you'll need to assess whether your current tech stack aligns with Storylane's integrations. If you rely on a less common CRM or marketing platform, make sure to check their integration capabilities before committing. The fourth thing to consider is their pricing structure. Storylane offers a free trial, which is a great way to test the software out before committing. But their pricing can get steep depending on the level of features you need. Compared to competitors like Loom, which has a more straightforward pricing model, Storylane's pricing might be seen as a bit more premium. You'll need to decide if the extra interactive features justify the cost for your business. Next, let's talk about the support and resources you'll have access to. Storylane offers customer support, but they also provide plenty of educational resources, including tutorials and a robust knowledge base. One thing you may find lacking, compared to competitors, is direct one-on-one support at lower pricing tiers. However, if you're comfortable with using online resources and learning on your own, Storylane still provides everything you need to get up and running efficiently. The sixth thing worth noting is the scalability of Storylane. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a larger team, Storylane can grow with you. The platform allows you to create a significant number of interactive videos, and as your business scales, you can upgrade to more advanced features. But keep in mind, as your business grows, so will your needs for video storage, analytics, and integrations. Storylane is built for scalability, but those premium features may come with a price tag that increases as you add more users and video content. And finally, it's worth mentioning Storylane's customization capabilities. You can create branded videos with your own logos, colors, and fonts, making it feel like an extension of your brand. But one thing that might be a deal breaker for some is the lack of deep customization options. If you're looking for pixel-perfect design controls or custom video player functionality, Storylane might feel restrictive. However, for most businesses looking to produce high-quality branded videos quickly, Storylane hits the mark. If you want to try out Storylane and see how it can work for you, click the first link in the description below. You'll get access to an exclusive free trial that gives you a chance to dive into its features with no risk. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get ahead of the curve with interactive videos. Click the link now.